Hey there. So here's a quick demo of how to use BetterListings. I'm going to start off by showing you a comparison. So let's go into an existing listing on the internet here. I'm just going to grab this first one. I have nothing to do with this listing. This is just a listing I picked randomly off the internet. So I'm going to paste this in ChatGPT and ask it to perform a critique for me. And it's just because I want to see like how the existing listing compares to what we're going to produce for you. So here comes a listing, revision, a critique. Sorry, my dog's making noise in the background. So it's saying that there's some overused adjectives here. There are some cliches like rarely offered, a lot of feedback, but it's basically saying, yeah, low rating, 5 out of 10. So, I mean, this is going to be pretty subjective, but let's start with that as a benchmark. So I'm going to grab some details here. So it's 152 Annette Street. So I'm going to put this into our website, betterlistings.co. So it's 152 Annette Street. The unit is 201. It's a condo. It's for sale. Okay, and that's the price. How many bedrooms and bathrooms were there? It looks like they're 1 and 1. Okay, cool. So I'm going to put that information in. And how much parking is it? Parking? Yeah. Okay, so there's no parking. So I'm going to say this. I'm going to get my head out of the way so you can see no parking. There's no lot dimensions here because this is a condo. We're not going to worry about that. But we will grab the maintenance info. I'm going to paste that in. Yeah, there we go. And I'm also going to put in just the existing description. So I'm going to grab that and drop that in here. Just because it makes it easy. It has all the context in it. Okay, so I'm going to click next. I'm in Canada, so I'm going to go English CA. I'm going to change actually, you know what? No, I'm going to leave it. It's 300 words. That'll be fine. I'm going to say on a professional tone and click generate. So this is going to give me a listing description. Once this is done, you can click on any of these paragraphs. You can just right click on them and you can see a bunch of editor options. So you can say like you want to shorten it, you want to lengthen it, if you want to correct something. So we'll go through the steps of doing that real quickly at the end as well. So this probably all looks really familiar so far. Nothing particularly new here. Okay, so I'm going to copy this and let's go back to GPT now. So let's paste it in and just do the exact same thing. Let's get a critique of the one that we just created. So looks relatively positive so far. So it's saying it's a captivating introduction. That's good. It calls out the proximity of parks. Yeah, okay, that's positive. So it gave us a ranking of like 9 out of 10. So let's go and shorten some of these things up. So this is an example of how to shorten something. Let's say I don't like that. I want to try a different shortening. So it's going to revise the shortened text for me again, so I can accept that. Now let's imagine that I want to remove a paragraph and then I want to fix some details. Let's say let's imagine this has 14-foot ceilings. It doesn't actually say anything particular about the ceilings, but let's just say it does. And now let's see how it revises that. So you can see it's dropped 14 feet in there. So I'm going to accept that revision. And let's say I want to simplify something, like avoid using really complicated words. So located very close. Yeah, so it's really simplified that for me. Now let's pretend that I want to add some parking in, maybe it just misprovided some information. So I'm going to say it has underground parking. Sometimes it'll do it at the beginning. In this case, it's doing it at the end. Some put in the middle. Okay, cool. Accept that revision. Okay, now I can say like, I'm happy. I'm good to go. I'm just going to copy that. And let's compare it again. See if it got worse or better. It probably is coming back pretty much the same. All our descriptions kind of always come back with a very similar critique from GPT. I don't expect, okay, 9.5, so a little bit better. So it's hard to say exactly what caused that improvement, but the key thing here is that it's happy with it. So look, I'm just trying to get people to give this a try. If you're an agent or anyone out there who's got to create some listing descriptions, I would love to get your feedback. We're giving 1 month free trial here. You just got to subscribe, and your first month is completely free. The code that you can use to do this is thanks for trying. I'll put that in the description as well, so you can see that. And I'm Andrew, so you can email me, andrew@betterlistings.co. And I would love your feedback. I'm sure I've already said that like 30 times, but if you have anything at all, feel free to reach out. I'm a real person. I love hearing from people, so feel free to shoot me an email, or you can even text me, 647-225-4909. Who the hell gives out their phone number these days? I guess I do. Have a good day. See you around.